In the Exploring Angle Pairs exercise, we are asked to identify vertical angles, adjacent angles, and linearly paired angles. So let's briefly review these concepts. Vertical angles are formed when we have intersecting lines. Vertical angles are located across the x from one another. So this angle is a vertical angle with this angle. This angle is a vertical angle with this angle. We know that vertical angles are congruent. And again, they're across the x when two lines intersect. Okay, we have adjacent angles. Now, adjacent angles, they share a vertex and a ray. They're next to each other. So if we have angle 1 here, angle 2 here, they are next to one another. They are adjacent. They share this ray right here. Okay, and then linearly paired angles. Well, they're linearly paired. They form a line. So if I have one angle here, I want it to form a line. So the second angle is going to come across here, and we see along the bottom, we form a straight line. So these two angles are linearly paired. Well, let's go over and look at the problem here. It asks us to name an angle that is vertical to angle EGF. So let's first identify angle EGF. So I'm going to take my writing utensil. I'm going to follow E to G to F. Okay, so that is the angle that I have here, and I want a vertical angle to that. So we went across the X. So I'm going to take my writing utensil, and I'm going to identify what lines have created angle EGF. The intersection of what two lines? It's the intersection of these two lines. So what angle is going to be across that X? Well, this angle right here. So how could we name that? We can name it angle CGB, or we could name it angle BGC. Both are acceptable names.